my channel. Today I am going to be doing my first ever review. So I am going to be reviewing the original Baby Cakes Pie Pop machine. And yeah, so I am going to be using this rainbow bit cake thing, and I am going to be using that. I'm going to be using some disposable cupcake liners, 60 sheet packs, and you're going to need a bowl to mix your ingredients in, 3 eggs, 1 cup of water, a cup of vegetable oil, and I bought some chocolate, which I broke up, and I'm going to be melting it in the microwave. I have some whipped cream cheese icing. You can use any type. And I have a big jar of sprinkles. So you can use any bit. Then I have my cake, my what is it? It's the pie pops. You have the cake pops and the pie pops. So I'm gonna be making my pie pops. And I have my machine right here. This is how it looks on the inside. It looks really good. And I have the stand and some sticks for it, and my utensils, what I'm gonna be needing. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on with the video. So I am going to take, so guys, if you do not understand how to make these, you can get someone in your house to help you who is bigger than you. And yeah, so first thing, I'm going to move all whatever I don't need right now. So I'm going to move to be starting off with, it doesn't really matter, you know? So I'm going to pour my water in. And then pour my vegetable oil. And I'm going to get a fork to crack these eggs. I got that over with. I am going to whisk it up and make sure that I like to get it really fluffy. It's gonna taste so good when it's done. Here, it is fluffy as how I like it to be, and now I am going to open my rainbow bit batter, and it looks like rainbows. Cut it open, and then I'm just gonna go and pour it in bit by bit. Okay guys, that looks done and delicious. So I'm gonna go and actually melt this, because I'm going to be pouring some in this. There you go. Press. There you go. And yeah, so I am going to be making cupcakes as well with this, but I'm going to be warming up my pie pop maker. There, so the red light is on. You can see that it is heating up. So guys, I'm going to add my sticks to it. There. Then I'm going to close it down for 5 to 10 minutes, and I will see you guys when the cake pops are finished. I have put them out, and now I'm going to be putting them in the oven. I gotta go get my oven mitts on. I'm gonna open up the oven. I actually preheated it, so it is pretty hot. I'm gonna put it in. One. And two. And when you're doing the oven part, make sure that you have a parent around. Okay, the last one. And two. I mean 3. Looks like I can't count. And I will see you guys when my cupcakes are done. Guys, the cake pops are done, but they didn't turn out so good. And I just learned that you're not supposed to be using the cake mix. You're actually supposed to use the dough, but it doesn't matter because, well, they still turned out really good, and I hope they taste really nice. So I am going to decorate these, and when I'm done, I am going to take the cupcakes out of the oven because they are finished. So I'm going to go ahead and decorate the cake pops. Actually, instead of that, I'm going to get those right now. And I have to get the last one. Oh, that one's hot. Like really hot. Okay. It's hot. So I am going. It's hot. Okay, so now I'm going to decorate the cake pops, and then I'm gonna decorate the cupcakes. I'm gonna take this little one right here, and I'm gonna see if I can cover the whole thing. Guys, I went ahead and did the rest of them, and now I'm just gonna add some sprinkles. We drizzled it on, and if there's a lot, you just turn it, and the excess melted chocolate or whatever you choose to put on it, it will come off like that. So I'm going to put some chocolate sprinkles. There you go. Okay, I think that's about it. It looks yummy. You can add a little bit more, but because I put melted chocolate on it, oh, there's a little part trying to come off. Stay on there, stay on there. Okay. And I'm just gonna put that one at the back. And then I'm going to add the balls. The last one. Wow. Okay, so this is what they look like. This one's having a bit of a little downsy. So we're gonna go ahead and put them in the. I'm gonna put it in the freezer for 5 to 10 minutes so the chocolate can harden. And I'm going to be doing these. Meanwhile, these are in there. So I'll see you when I am adding some of the vanilla chocolate to the cupcakes, and then when I'm done, I will add some sprinkles to make it look really pretty. And I actually did one tray earlier, and I did this tray. It looks delicious. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this tray, and I'll be back with you guys when I'm done this tray and on to the third. So guys, I iced every one of them, and now I am going to be decorating them. So I'm going to add some of these little balls. Okay. some chocolate. Oops. I'm gonna add some of these colorful sprinkles to it. And then some hearts. The cake pops out of the freezer and they look delicious. So I'm going to try one. I'm actually gonna try this one. It tastes so good, guys. That is so delicious. So now I'm gonna go ahead and taste the muffin. Which one of y'all wanna be eaten by me? Okay, I'm going for this one. My decorating skills are on. This tastes so delicious. So yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe, comment if you want more videos like this, or if you want another video, give it a big thumbs up if you like it and share it. So yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Have a good day and give it a big thumbs up. Bye.